Tired of paying expensive bike shop fees for simple repairs you could handle yourself? I've found the 5 budget bike toolkits that actually deliver professional results without breaking the bank. Our hands-on testing process, which includes real-world repair scenarios and durability assessments over several months, has revealed exactly what separates quality bike toolkits from cheap imitations. Each kit has unique strengths that could be perfect for your maintenance needs, so make sure to watch the complete list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Here we go. Number 5. Bikehand Bike Toolkit with Torque Wrench. This comprehensive 23-piece kit addresses one of the biggest pain points for home bike mechanics, having all the right tools without spending a fortune on premium brands. What immediately stands out is the inclusion of a Torque wrench, which is absolutely crucial for proper bike maintenance. You'll be able to tighten bolts taut to exact specifications without risking damage from over-tightening or under-tightening. Additionally, the kit covers virtually every maintenance task you'll encounter, from basic tire changes with the included tire levers to more complex jobs like bottom bracket installation. The tools themselves are made from heat-treated steel, which gives them solid durability for home use. Moreover, everything comes organized in a well-designed carrying case, where each tool snaps securely into place. This means you'll always know where everything is and can easily transport the kit when needed. However, it's worth noting that while these tools are perfectly adequate for home mechanics, they're not built to withstand the constant use of a professional bike shop environment. That said, for weekend warriors and cycling enthusiasts who want to handle their own maintenance, the quality is more than sufficient. What really makes this kit appealing is the value proposition. You're getting nearly everything you need for comprehensive bike maintenance at a fraction of what individual premium tools would cost. Plus, with a 1-year warranty and Taiwanese manufacturing, you can feel completely confident about the investment. If you're tired of expensive bike shop visits for basic maintenance and want to develop your mechanical skills, this kit provides everything you need to get started. You can check today's price on Amazon through the link below. Number 4. Park Tool SK4 Starter Kit. When you're serious about taking control of your bike maintenance, but don't want to break the bank on individual premium tools, this 15-piece kit strikes an impressive balance between quality and accessibility that's hard to find elsewhere. What immediately sets this kit apart is the inclusion of Park Tool's legendary Big Blue Book of bicycle repair, which is honestly worth a significant portion of the investment on its own. This comprehensive guide walks you through everything from basic adjustments to more complex repairs, with clear illustrations and step-by-step instructions, so you'll never feel lost when tackling a new maintenance task. The tools themselves carry Park Tool's reputation for durability and precision, which means you're getting professional-grade quality that'll last for years of home use. Additionally, everything comes organized in a custom toolbox with a convenient tray system and lid compartments, so you'll always know exactly where each tool belongs and can easily transport everything when needed. The kit covers all your essential maintenance needs, from basic cleaning and adjustments to tire changes and drivetrain work. Moreover, having bicycle-specific tools rather than generic hardware store alternatives makes a real difference in how smoothly your maintenance sessions go and how well your bike performs afterward. However, it's worth noting that as a starter kit, you'll likely want to add a few specialized tools over time as you tackle more advanced repairs or work on different bike types. But that's actually part of the appeal. You're building a solid foundation that you can expand based on your specific needs. If you're ready to stop paying premium shop rates for basic maintenance and want to develop real mechanical confidence with quality tools and expert guidance, this kit provides everything you need to get started properly. You can check today's price on Amazon through the link below. Number 3. Bone 14-in-1 Bike Toolkit. While the previous kits we've looked at are perfect for comprehensive home maintenance, this kit takes a completely different approach by focusing on portability and on-the-go repairs that serious cyclists actually need. What immediately stands out is the incredibly compact design, measuring just 2 by 5 inches, which makes it small enough to attach directly to your bike frame without adding bulk. Additionally, the quick-release mounting system works with tube diameters from 22 to 50 millimeters, so you can securely mount it on virtually any bike without worrying about compatibility issues. The kit includes 14 essential tools, specifically chosen for handling puncture repairs and basic adjustments while you're out on rides. Moreover, everything's protected by a splash-proof design that keeps your tools safe from moisture and prevents rust, which becomes crucial when you're dealing with unpredictable weather conditions during longer rides. What's particularly thoughtful is the eco-friendly silicone construction, which not only reduces environmental impact, but also minimizes vibrations and noise during rides. This means you won't hear annoying rattling sounds coming from your toolkit, and the soft material won't scratch or damage your bike frame either. However, it's worth noting that some users mention the kit feels a bit heavier than expected for a portable option. But when you consider you're getting 14 quality tools in a weatherproof package that mounts securely to your bike, the convenience factor really outweighs this minor consideration. If you're someone who regularly regularly goes on longer rides and wants the peace of mind that comes with having essential repair tools always within reach, this kit delivers exactly that reliability. You can check today's price on Amazon through the link below. Number 2. Duratech 41-piece bike toolkit. After looking at those previous kits that focus on either portability or professional-grade quality, this comprehensive set takes a different approach by giving you virtually everything you need for complete bike maintenance at home without the premium price tag. What immediately stands out is the sheer completeness of this kit. You're getting 41 specialized tools that cover everything, from basic chain maintenance and tire repairs to more advanced tasks like crankset work and cassette removal. Additionally, each tool is constructed from premium steel that's been heat-treated for added strength, which means you're getting durability that can handle regular home use without worrying about tools bending or breaking during critical repairs. The organized storage really sets this kit apart from buying individual tools over time. Everything fits precisely into a rugged plastic case with custom-fitted inlays, so you'll always know exactly where each tool belongs and can quickly grab what you need without digging through a cluttered toolbox. Moreover, this level of organization makes it easy to see if anything's missing before you start a project. What's particularly appealing for home mechanics is the broad compatibility with different bike models and components. Whether you're working on road bikes, mountain bikes, or hybrids with various drivetrain systems, this kit covers the essential tools you'll need for most maintenance tasks. Plus, having bicycle-specific tools rather than trying to make do with general hardware store alternatives makes a real difference in both the quality of your work and how smoothly everything goes. However, it's worth noting that with 41 tools, some cyclists might find they don't use every single item, especially if they have newer bikes with specific component standards or prefer to focus on just basic maintenance tasks. If you're ready to take control of your bike maintenance and want a comprehensive solution that eliminates those expensive shop visits for routine work, this kit provides the tools and organization to build real mechanical confidence. You can check today's price on Amazon through the link below. Before we reveal our number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. Number 1. Bikehand Bike Repair Tool Set 22-piece. After years of paying premium shop rates for basic maintenance tasks, this comprehensive kit finally gives home mechanics everything they need to take control of their bike care without breaking the bank. What immediately stands out is the sheer completeness of this 22-piece collection. You're getting specialized chain tools, including a rivet extractor that works with 7 through 11 speed Shimano chains, plus a master link tool that makes chain repairs incredibly straightforward. Additionally, the kit covers virtually every maintenance scenario you'll encounter, from basic tire changes with reinforced steel tire levers to more complex jobs like bottom bracket work and cassette removal. The tools themselves are constructed from heat-treated steel, which gives them solid durability for regular home use. Moreover, everything comes organized in a well-designed, blow-molded case with metal clasps where each tool fits securely into its designated spot. This means you'll always know exactly where everything is and can easily transport the entire kit when needed. What really makes this kit compelling is the value proposition. When you consider that buying these tools individually would cost significantly more, especially from premium brands, you're getting comprehensive bike maintenance capability at a fraction of the cost. Plus, with Taiwanese manufacturing and a 2-year warranty, you can feel confident about the investment. However, it's worth noting that while these tools are perfectly adequate for home mechanics and weekend warriors, they're not built to withstand the constant demands of a professional bike shop environment. But for cyclists who want to handle their own maintenance and avoid those expensive shop visits, the quality is more than sufficient. If you're ready to develop real mechanical confidence and save substantial money on routine bike care, this kit provides all the essential tools to get started properly. You can check today's price on Amazon through the link below. So, which one would you choose? You can see updated prices and buy the products on Amazon from the link in the description.